going to discuss about three small cap companies. These three small cap companies can give you a multiple returns in 20 years. Number one, V-Guard Industries Limited. The share name is V-Guard, presently trading at 226 rupees. V-Guard Industries Limited is a major electrical appliances manufacturer in India and the largest in the state of Kerala, with an annual turnover of 23.21 billion by 2017 and 2018. The company manufactures voltage stabilizers, electrical cable, electrical pumps, electronic motors, geysers, solar water heaters, electronic fans and UPSs. It was founded in 1977 as a small voltage stabilizers manufacturing unit. Sales of V-Guard Industries Limited in March 2017 is 2150.62 crore, and in March 2018 is 2311.74 crore. In March 2019 is 2566.44 crore. In March 2020 is 2481.96 crore, and in March 2021 is 2699 crore. Thus, sales of V-Guard Industries Limited is very satisfactory and increasing gradually. Profit after tax of V-Guard Industries Limited in March 2017, the profit after tax of V-Guard is 151.80 crore. March 2018 is 133.09 crore. March 19 is 165.53 crore. March 2020 is 185.16 crore, and in March 2021 is 198.98 crore. Thus, the profit after tax is very satisfactory, more than the sales of V-Guard Industries Limited. V-Guard Industries Limited is a small cap company with a market cap of 9,857 crore. It also provides us 0.52% dividend. The shareholder pattern is: promoter is holding 56.05% stake, FII is holding 14.29% stake, mutual fund is holding 13.51%, and insurance company is also holding 1.76%, DIS is holding 0.37% stake, and public is holding only 14.01% stake of this company. Share number 2 is LatentView Analytics. In my earlier video, I had already discussed in brief about LatentView Analytics. The share Latent is currently trading at 594.20 rupees. It had a low of 461 rupees and a high of 754 rupees. LatentView Analytics is a IT software company with a market cap of 11,746 crore rupees. LatentView Analytics was founded in 2006. LatentView offers data analytics services, consulting and data engineering solutions to customers across the banking, technology, industrial and retail verticals, among others. In its 15 years of existence, the company has reported a loss only for one quarter in early 2010. Shareholding pattern of Latin View company is promoter is holding 68.10% stake, while FII is holding 3.31% stake. Mutual fund is also holding 4.80% stake. Insurance companies holding 0.90% stake, DIS holding 1.58% stake, and public is holding 21.31% stake. Share number 3 is Shigachi Industry, which is currently trading at 406 rupees. Shigachi Industries incorporated in the year 1989 and has rapidly established itself as one of the largest manufacturers of microcrystalline cellulose worldwide, with 3 multi-locational facilities in Telangana and Gujarat. Shigachi has ensured supply chain reliably for its customers spread across the globe. Shigachi is an industry leader in the field of pharma, excipients, nutra, and food and ingredients. Revenue of Shigachi Industries in FY20 and FY 2021. In financial year 2020, the revenue of Shigachi Industries was 143.95 crore. While in financial year 2021 is 196.01 crore. Profit after tax in financial year 2020 is 20.32 crore, and in financial year 2021 is 30.26 crore. It is very much satisfactory. Shigachi Industry is a small cap with a very small market cap, 1251 crore. The shareholding pattern is promoter is holding 48.46% stake, FII is holding 1.28% stake, DI is holding 9.42% stake, and public is holding 40.84% stake. Vigard is currently in buying zone. Further, it may come down to 220 rupees and then it will start moving upward like a rocket. Then LatentView Analytics is also consolidating around 600 rupees. It is gradually building the support zone 600 rupees, and then gradually it is also expected to move upward. Shigachi Industries may consolidate 1 or 2 more months around 400 rupees, and then further it will also move upward.